I am Nikola Tesla, and among my many contributions to science and engineering, my work on high-frequency currents stands as one of the most remarkable bridges between electricity and medicine. The currents I discovered and harnessed, now known as Tesla currents, opened doors not only to technological progress, but also to revolutionary therapeutic methods that continue to impact medicine today. In 1891, I revealed a device, the Tesla coil, capable of generating very high voltage and high frequency alternating currents. These currents differed from the usual low frequency electricity powering homes. They possess special properties. They produce minimal sensations when passed through the human body and could penetrate tissues without harm, hitting them gently and deeply. I personally experimented with these currents, applying them through electrodes to my own body and noting their invigorating effects. The currents appeared non-injurious, contrary to common assumptions about electricity, but rather therapeutic. This led me to imagine their use in treating various ailments by stimulating circulation and promoting tissue repair through a form of gentle internal heating. The primary medical application arising from this discovery was diathermy, a treatment involving the use of high-frequency electric currents to warm body tissues deep beneath the skin. This technique proved effective in reducing pain, increasing blood flow, and alleviating muscle stiffness, making it invaluable in physiotherapy. In a sense, my Tesla coil was the original source of such therapeutic currents. Beyond diathermy, I also explored the use of high-frequency currents for sterilization and disinfecting air and surfaces. For example, by incorporating an ozone generator powered by these high frequencies, which I developed in 1896, my devices produced ozone, a powerful antiseptic and antibacterial agent. Such innovations provided a new dimension to medical hygiene, paving the way for ultraviolet and ozone therapies that are still in use. My experiments extended into the realm of vibrational medicine. The idea that the body's health can be influenced and even healed by specific frequencies and resonances. I studied how mechanical vibrations at certain frequencies affected living tissues, believing that resonant oscillations could restore balance and enhance cellular functions. In addition to therapy, I foresaw diagnostic uses of high-frequency electric phenomena. The electrical signals naturally generated by the body, I posited, could be analyzed to detect disease and monitor health. While I did not invent modern imaging techniques such as MRI and EKG, my concepts laid groundwork for non-invasive diagnostics that use electromagnetic waves. Technologically, the Tesla coil and associated high-frequency principles found wide applications beyond medicine, in radio technology, wireless power transmission, and electronic lighting. The development of vacuum tubes, radio transmitters, and neon lighting all owe some debt to the understanding of high-frequency electricity that I helped pioneer. My public demonstrations of passing high-frequency currents through my body fascinated audiences in the United States and Europe in the 1890s. I showed that such currents could illuminate lamps wirelessly, produce sparks from fingertips, and safely pass through flesh. These demonstrations not only enthralled scientists, but also expanded the popular imagination about electricity's potential. Current medical technologies have advanced greatly, but many of those methods are direct descendants of my early work. Electrotherapy units using Tesla currents treat everything from arthritis to muscle pain today. Pulse electromagnetic field therapy, ultrasound therapy, and radio frequency ablation techniques all resonate with the principles I first discovered. While some critics dismiss these ideas in my era as mere curiosities, modern science increasingly validates the therapeutic benefits of electromagnetic fields and high-frequency currents. Research continues into how these fields stimulate cellular processes, aid in tissue regeneration, and modulate nervous system functions. My work also inspired further developments in generating and controlling plasma, the ionized gases produced by high-frequency discharges. Plasma medicine, a growing field today, traces its roots back to my exploration of spark discharges and radiant energy, investigating how these phenomena can disinfect wounds, enhance healing, and kill bacteria. I am proud that what began as laboratory curiosities have matured into essential tools, empowering doctors and engineers alike. The high-frequency currents I discovered are not just electrical curiosities. They are healing forces and beacons of the future.
This has been another dispatch from the Dead Expert Society. The dead have spoken, but what say the living? Let us know below.